Next, that we have seen the potential uses of technology, we will see a few challenges with it. So challenges of blockchain technology are: the initial investment is expensive, because, for example, if there is a central server instead of a distributed ledger, so we only have to invest in one server. But here blockchain, we will have to maintain the transactions on multiple computers, so the investment will be high. At the same time, it is energy intensive. That is, we need to run a lot of computers instead of one server, so the usage of energy is also high, which will make it not so environmentally friendly. Then comes privacy of individuals and companies. The data will be stored with multiple computers. Some of these might be personal computers. So there is a risk of data breach, particularly personal data or financial data. So that is one risk with blockchain technology. Next comes, knowledge about this technology is limited. That is because it is a nascent technology and we still have a lot to learn about this technology.